Hey, Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. Hey, folks, look what we got. Old Smokey Barbecue Grill. Fire it up. OldSmokey.com. Look at that little guy right there. Okay, Old Smokey, this is definitely a Poor Guy grill right here. So this is the 18-inch Old Smokey. I had Dawn order this for me online. I believe it was right around 58 bucks, 53 bucks, something like 57, something like that, in the 50s for this grill here. And I've been wanting one of these for quite some time. And so I finally went ahead and bought one. So we're going to do an unboxing video. Let's open this up. So this is a neat little grill. I've been intrigued with these. So the Old Smokey, established in 1923, I believe, all made in America, and America being Houston, Texas. So they started this company in 1923, and then till today they're still in the same factory they started in. So all American made products here. Let's take a look. These look like the legs. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then you got your owner's manual. And you got your handles. One handle. And then these, I believe, are the damper. One for the top, one for the bottom. Okay. Let's pull out the unit itself. That's the top, the Old Smokey logo. Your handles, your damper. Set that there. This is your bottom. Got your damper on the bottom. And then this goes on the bottom. It holds your charcoal and wood. And your cooking grate. That's it. That is basic, and that's what I wanted. I've seen a lot of videos on this on YouTube. The gentleman that got me interested in these is Big Lou. Big Lou Barbecue and Other Things I Want to Do. That's the name of his channel. He does a ton of videos with Old Smokey smokers, barbecue grills. And I've just been so interested in it because I like basic, and Poor Guy, I like inexpensive. So we're going to go ahead and put this together. Let me get this set up, and for the build, I'm probably going to do it in fast forward, so it's not too long of a video. And then after I get done with this, I want to do a burn off. So stay tuned if you would, and we'll go ahead and get this sucker built. Hey, we're back. Take a look. I'm just doing a burn off and kind of a seasoning with the Old Smokey. Remember, this is the 18-inch. They have a 14-inch and a 22-inch. I decided to go with the 18-inch. So I just put a handful of charcoal in there. That's just plain old Kingsford. Put a tumbleweed in there. And I washed everything off that, was on the inside with soap and water. And I just put some spray oil in there and kind of wipe things down. So basically, this is a burn off seasoning to get rid of like the manufacturing oils that may be left after I washed it. And so, yeah, I think it's always a good idea to do a burn off. And I'm going to monitor the temperatures just out of curiosity with just a handful of charcoal. And I'm going to, while we do the burn off, I'm just going to test that out and see what temperatures it gets and kind of watch it do its thing. I did read the instruction manual, which is very basic because this is a basic smoker. It does tell you to try to keep the charcoal away from the sides because it's not, heavy steel. But next week I'm gonna do my first cook on this video. So if this is something you're interested, you want to see the first cook on it, come on back next week, and I want to show you something I got that I'm excited about. Jamaican Jeans. This I had 2 bags of this sent to me actually from the owner of this company. It's quite a story behind this, and we'll get more into it next week because today it's about the Old Smoky. Next week it'll be about the organic Jamaican bamboo charcoal. That's right, bamboo. There's a lot of good things going on with this, and we'll talk about this next week when I do my first cook. But got 2 bags of this. I want to thank Jamaican Jeans for sending this to me. The Old Smoky. I bought that one. I'm so excited about this because it's your bare bones smoker slash barbecue grill. And, I'm excited to learn on it and do my first cook next week. So, yeah, temperature's up to 183. Really, that's it. Just going to let charcoal burn out, get the smoke on it, get it seasoned, and burn off all those oils. And that's about it for this week with the Old Smoky. So, exciting times here at Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. Yeah. All right, come back next week if this is something you're interested in. Even if you're not, come back next week and we're gonna do our first cook on this using that bamboo charcoal. All right, peace.